Okay, welcome back to this channel. Now, to those that are yet to subscribe, make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share. So let's take a look at this WTI crude oil. For some times, we talked about having a drop down, right? That was the move. We were expecting, okay, this WTI should actually get to a level of hit a level of 72, 71. But guess what? Price actually is currently trading at 78. Unfortunately, it did not move to the level we were all expecting or planned. Well, no doubt about that. So we have no other option than to guide and trade with what we are seeing. Like they always say, do not trade what you think, but trade what you see. Because if we are to trade what we think, now we will be expecting more drop on this WTI because the trend is downtrend, and or what we'll be expecting or what will come to our head is that price will actually drop. But we would want to see where this price will be moving for the next day, which is for the 13th of January. So we would want to trade what we see. So as we're currently trading at 78, I believe that this pullback should be made. Then we will continue to go up. So let's see if this price will actually take out a level of 80. So I'm watching out for a level of 80 on this WTI. Possibly it can get to a level of 81, no doubt about that. Possibly price can get to a level of 81. But let's try and watch out for a level of 80 on this WTI, right? So we can see that price has once reacted to this level I've highlighted. This should now take us to the 4-hour time frame. But before that, before we go to the 4-hour time frame, see the daily time frame, the price is trading above this 10 period moving average. So since it is still above this 10 period moving average, we will still see this as a bullish move, except this price just drop and it is trading below this moving average, then we can go ahead and sell. Well, now let's go to the 4-hour time frame. So you can see that this is the WTI. You can see that this is actually an uptrend move. It will not make sense for you to go ahead and start selling, right? You will still want to go ahead and take this buy, except you are getting multiple break of structure downward. Maybe you are getting, maybe you actually get 2, 3, or 4 break of structure downward. Then you can go ahead and sell on your 4-hour time frame. But as long as you are still getting that bullish move, then we would want to go ahead and take this buy movement. So let's see this WTI, something like this. We would see this movement like higher highs. We will start from here for quick analysis. So we would see this as an higher lows, then a new highs, and here comes an higher lows. Then this will be a new high. So let's wait for this pullback to be over. The pullback is playing, which is an higher lows. So once this pullback is over, once it's come to test this level, I believe another highs will be made on WTI. So we need a pullback to be made, at least to get to a level of, let's watch out for a level of 7.00, right? So let's watch out for a level of 7.00 and possibly break below that. It can even drop further down than that, but we should watch for around that level of 7.78. Sorry, we should watch around that level of 78.000. So that is what I'm watching. Once that pullback can get to that level, then I'll be expecting an ice. And we can see that price has reacted to this same level. We also saw once price came to the same level, we had a rejection, and again, price also came to this same level and there was a rejection. So once price got to the same level, we had a rejection, thereby price gave us a pullback. Now price has broken above it. Of course, we expect price to give us a pullback to test this level. Then we can go ahead and go long on WTI. So with WTI, we still expect a bullish move, by the way, but a pullback needs to play out before we take the buy.